Hey, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the Lush Father's Day range for 2022. I have never really done a Father's Day haul ever on my channel because, to be honest with you, they only ever really release like 3 things, and I feel like it's not long enough to warrant a whole video. So we have 5 this year, and I feel like now's the time to do one if I'm ever going to do it. So I bought the whole range, which cost me, I don't even know how much money, probably like £30. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below your thoughts on the range, what items you love, what items you don't like, and yeah, let's dive into the video. I hope you enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item in the range this year is the shower gel, and this is the Glitch Shower Gel. Now, not only is this the most beautiful shade of green, it smells like Avo Bath, which, if you guys don't know what Avo Bath is, it's a bath bomb. It's an absolute staple, classic, just really great bath bomb that smells like lemongrass. It's a very fresh, citrusy kind of smell. It's so lovely and really good for like in the mornings if you're a morning bath kind of gal or guy, or anywhere in between. Avo Bath's a great one. But ingredients wise, we have got lemon balm infusion, lemongrass oil, bergamot oil, lemon juice, lime juice, carrageenan extract and gardenia extract. It smells so good. I'm gonna have to smell it even though I know what it smells like, because oh, it's just so good. Fresh, zingy, citrusy. It's just so, it just smells clean. It smells beautiful. It's a really nice summer morning shower gel. If you're not into kind of your mint smells, which I know a lot of people don't really like dirty because it's such a minty, strong fragrance. And the price of this one was £7. So as you guys know, Lush Shower Gel can be quite expensive, but you do get what you pay for with them. I really love them, and they last me a very long time. So yeah, if you haven't tried this one, get your hands on it. If you love your citrusy smells, this is the one for you. It is delish. The next item we have is the soap for this range, and this is the Big Mustache Soap. I will get it out of the packaging. I am just going to read the ingredients off the label, and this one is £6. But ingredients wise, we have got Old Man's Beard Infusion. Sorry? Old Man's Beard Infusion. Am I being stupid? Is that meant to be a joke? I don't even know. Fair trade organic cocoa butter, coconut oil, water, castor oil, howood oil, petitgrain oil, patchouli oil, ylang ylang oil, charcoal. Let's open it up and give it a smell. I'm going to try my best not to rip the packaging, but I can't make any promises. Oh my god, she's done it. What a legend. So this is what the mustache soap looks like. It is literally like a moustache, which is so cute and so fun, and I do really like the smell. It smells very similar to one of their perfumes they used to do. Cannot pinpoint what it is. I think it's the howood in there. It smells very incensey, very woodsy. It just smells really good, and it's a moustache, which I love. I can't really find a good way to describe this apart from it being really woodsy, really sort of smoky, incensey, that kind of smell. Like if you like your kind of festival kind of smells, does that make sense? That's how I kind of pinpoint it. Like a festival, smoky kind of fragrance. You will really like this. It could be a phone if you don't want a mustache, but I love that. It's very nice. The only thing with this, and don't get me wrong, I love the shape. I think it's so fun and different, but using this is going to be really annoying because it's not a very good, like, well, I suppose you could hold it like that, but oh yeah, that smells delish. Definitely a beautiful smell. If you don't like anything sweet or fruity, you'll probably really like this one, so yeah. So the next item in the range is the Super Dad iPad, which I've just realised I have not kept in the fridge. Oh well. This is one of the cooling eye patches that you put on either when you've got a face mask on or without, and I'm really excited to give this one a go. You guys know my opinion on eye patches. I don't want to sound like a negative Nancy, but they are not my favourite. I feel like personally, and I've said this before, I prefer the under eye patches because I can actually still do things and kind of carry on with like my bath, or if I'm just relaxing, reading a book, that kind of thing. But with these, I feel very vulnerable and I feel like I can't do anything else because I can't see. So yeah, that's the reason I kind of don't like these. But ingredients wise, we have got yerba mate and butterfly. That's a very confusing sentence to say. Yerba mate and butterfly pea flower infusion. I have no idea what that is. If any of you guys know, please let me know down below. We also have fresh aloe gel, water, carrageenan extract, fresh carrot juice, and saffron. I hate saffron so much. So the price on this one, I'm just going to check because I can't actually remember. So the price on this one is £6. So that's what I mean. They are quite expensive, and they are originally made for a one-use wonder, and that is just a lot of money in my opinion for something that I'm just going to use once and throw away. So I do use them a few times, don't judge me, but I do use them more than once. And I am going to open it just to give it a smell because I need to know what this smells like. Okay, this one smells really good. It doesn't smell very saffrony. It almost smells a little bit like dirty spring wash, but not. Very fresh. Oh, that's very nice. I actually really like the smell of that, considering it's got saffron in it. Hang on, you guys can't hear me because of the rustling of the paper. 1 minute. Considering it's got saffron in it, it is definitely not that bad in my opinion. I think the smell is very fresh, very clean. Definitely a unisex smell, and I'm not saying that certain smells aren't unisex because it's just a smell, do you know what I mean? But for people who don't like sweet or not sweet, are kind of like in the middle, this is what I would think they would enjoy because it's a very like subtle, gentle smell. So I love that. Am I excited to use it? I am neither here nor there about the eye patches, but I do like to include them in the kind of collection videos because I like to do the whole range. So you're welcome. I wasted £6, so we'll give it another try and we'll see what it's like. The next item is the #1 Dad Bubble Bar. Again, I will get out the packaging, don't you guys worry, but ingredients wise, this one has tarragon oil, sandalwood oil, cornstarch, spearmint oil, neroli oil, thyme absolute, and I think that's basically it. And this one I also think is £6. Yes, so this one is £6 as well, and I am going to show you guys what it looks like. Obviously I wouldn't be that mean and not show you. Oh, it's so sparkly. I'm going to get glitter everywhere. I should have done this one last really, but never mind. Oh, as if I've just crumbled that all over my white bed sheets. Oh no, it's crumbled. Oh god, what do I do? What do I do? Okay, Mum, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. I've just got blue stuff all over the bed sheets. Don't be mad. So this is what it looks like. It is a blue bubble bar, very, very crumbly by the way, if you couldn't tell. It is crumbling everywhere, and it's covered in gold luster, which is also all over the place. I am covered in gold glitter now, so that's great. Oh, I've just wiped it all in my trousers. Oh well. Yeah, absolute nightmare I'm having with this one, but smells delish. It smells like dirty spring wash, which is a very spearminty smell. It's very, very fresh, very clean. Beautiful for in the mornings. This would be a lovely bubble bath for kind of a morning bath. Smells incredible. Or if you want a bath that is going to kind of wake you up, even if it's in the evening, this one's really good. But it does smell amazing. The only thing with this I find a bit odd, and it might just be for me personally because I know that my dad hates the glitter in the bath bombs and the bubble bars. He's really not a fan of the glittery ones. So I find it quite bizarre that they've covered it in gold glitter. It does make sense because it's meant to be a trophy, but I would have personally done a bubble bar that was like that gold colour with like the really fine luster. But that's just me. But no, I really like the smell of this one. I am going to pop it back in the bag though because I'm getting blue crumbs and gold glitter all over my bed sheets. Like literally look at my hands. And I have nowhere to wipe them. So I've got clean pyjama bottoms on and now they're covered in glitter, which is brilliant. And the last item from the range is a bath bomb, and I do believe we have had this bath bomb before, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this could be a repeat from last year. Let me know down below, but this is the Dirty Bath Bomb. It says Dirty 2022, so maybe they have slightly adjusted it, I'm not too sure. But price-wise, this one is £5, and ingredients-wise, we have got spearmint oil, tarragon oil, sandalwood oil, lavender absolute, neroli, thyme. I believe this is going to smell exactly the same as the bubble bar, which I kind of don't like because I feel like they need to give them more of a range. Do you know what I mean? I just don't think that's doesn't make sense to me. Like, why make them smell exactly the same when you only have a few items in the range anyway, do you know what I mean? I don't know. But anyway, let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I will admit it is a beautiful bath bomb. It goes from a lovely dark blue to a light blue to green, a light green and a yellow. It looks like the ocean and I love that. And again, it smells the same as the bubble bar, so it's got the dirty fragrance, which is a very minty, very fresh smell. It smells beautiful, but it is just a shame that they made them smell exactly the same. But it does smell really good. Very clean, very fresh. This is definitely one that my dad would enjoy. I don't know about you guys, or if your mum or your dads or anybody would enjoy this, but This is definitely one that my dad would enjoy, I think. It's very fresh, very clean, does smell really good. Yeah, I do like that one. So that is everything. Let me know your honest thoughts and opinions down below. Did you like the range? Did you not like the range? I personally really liked the range. I think this year they have made a bit more of an effort with the Father's Day stuff. However, I do still feel like there just simply isn't enough. I think with Mother's Day we have such a beautiful, massive range of things. I think for Father's Day they do kind of let it slack a little bit. Maybe we could have done with like a new beard wash, a face wash, a scrub maybe as well, or a shaving balm. Like that sort of stuff would have been really, really good to see. But nevertheless, I do like everything, and I am glad that this year there's more stuff than last year, so I have to give them credit. I do like the range this year. So that's everything for this video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do share it with your friends. Let's get to 10k, because at 10,000 subscribers I have a giveaway which is going on, and I will announce the winner as soon as we hit 10,000. So if you haven't entered that, now is your time to do so. But yes, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching as per usual. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!